H2S laboratory consists of the fume hood, which is designed and manufactured to test the H2S resistance test. This laboratory is designed and manufactured regarding NACE TM 0177 and 0284. This laboratory has some fume hoods. The fume hoods consists of a control panel that can control the flow of the H2S and endo gases. Before testing, the per chamber is fulfilled with the solution A, B, or C. It would be de-aired with the endo gas, and after that, the solution is poured into the test chamber, and the test is running. The fume hood is designed with the highest safety level. It has a very good vacuum system. Beyond this, the laboratory consists of the H2S sensor. When the sensor is turned on and the ppm of the gas is increased more than 15, the system turn on emergency vacuum system that would purge the gas of the laboratory instantly in less than 20 seconds.